I'm April Moran. So I've been in the substance use field since like 1999, so for about 25 years now. So that's what I've been doing my whole life pretty much. Although I'm the clinical director here, I also still very much enjoy doing individual therapy. We do like a comprehensive biopsychosocial assessment, and we're identifying like what brought you to treatment, and we're getting to really kind of know them and start to build rapport so we kind of know what's motivating them to come to treatment. And it just starts with treating everybody like a human being, I think is really important. Sometimes we can kind of individualize the treatment program. We can't necessarily change the program itself, but we can, within that, we can make some adjustments and give people different like clinical exceptions, we call them, things like that, so that they're getting their needs met while they're here and want to stay in treatment. I think what sets us apart definitely is the size. So we're, 8-bed facility right now, and we're able to really give people this individualized, just a lot of attention and care and love. Like it's not like a factory of bringing people in and detoxing them and then shipping them out. So I think the bigger facilities, they might have more resources available to them and more staff available, but I think what's missing is a person can get lost in that setting and not really be seen or heard and work through some things that actually might be uncomfortable. And I think this is a good opportunity for our clients to get uncomfortable and grow through it. I think getting into a healthy routine is something else that comes up. It's just like this, we have this structure and routine, and it helps. And then if they carry on that routine when they leave, they seem to do well in their recovery. And I think that a lot of people come here for like that necessary break from their environment where there might be substances or just a lot of stress, and getting into a healthy routine, I think is the best thing that we can do for our clients. Having play, what I've noticed is that helps our clients to heal that inner child that might have been suppressed. If they were kind of had a childhood trauma where they were forced to kind of be a little adult, it's really important that we let that inner child come out and have fun. And I think that makes it, then people are happier and they can experience recovery as like, oh, this isn't just like some boring life that I have to live now. Like, it's actually more fun to be in recovery and to be able to remember things because we're not under the influence anymore. From what I've heard from our clients, they just absolutely love our more of a holistic treatment approaches that we use, whether it's the acupuncture, sound bath, massage, things like that are really like an adjunct to the evidence-based therapies that we're doing, DBT, CBT, EMDR, things that we've known have worked for hundreds and hundreds of years. Like, we still do those, and it's like back to our roots. At the same time, we're bringing in the evidence-based newer therapies that have been effective for our clients. So the biggest obstacle is if a client is going home to an environment that is not supportive of recovery, whether that's there's partners still using or drinking, or the family doesn't quite have the support or education around how to not to enable their loved ones. Most clients stay for like 30 days, and then we get to do like this graduation ceremony for them, and I usually get to facilitate that, and we prepare all these things for them and do like a coin and cutting of the lei, and it's just so much fun, and it like reminds me why we're doing this and helps to give hope to like the other clients who are maybe newer and things like that. So it's probably my favorite part.